Hello guys, it's Ryan, Slug SBD here. Just letting you guys see what's outside. Yeah, look at that. This happened in the night. Let me see if I can give you a little close up. I don't think you can see it here, but there's a ginormous mound of snow right there. Just randomly. Yeah, anyway, Chicago. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna be posting a lot of Minecraft. And, thanks for the 30 subs, guys. That's really helpful. I'm really happy that I'm getting subs, but it's not that much. So let's try to go for 40 and then 50. At 40, I'll do maybe a montage, or maybe I'll try my best to get the dazzle working. So anyway, that's how it looks in Chicago. Trust me, it's much worse out in front. If you can see, I don't know if you can, right there. That's a driveway. Yeah, so anyway, see you guys later. Bye.